What's cracking? Hopefully it's not your back. Now, if you're looking for the best crypto app to use, there's a few great options to consider. One popular app is WealthSimple, okay? WealthSimple Crypto. It's easy to use even for beginners, and it lets you buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies, obviously like Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of others. The app is safe, so you don't have to worry about your money being stolen. Many people like it because it's simple to use, it's simple to set up, and it makes it a great choice for anyone new to crypto, okay? Another great app is called Coinbase, okay? Coinbase. This app is used by people all over the world. It has a very user-friendly design. It lets you trade many different cryptocurrencies, and the app helps you understand how everything works, all right? So it also has a strong security feature, to protect your money. But for Canadians, Newton is another good app. It has lower fees, meaning you don't lose too much money when you buy or you sell crypto. It's also known for being easy to use, so even if you're just starting out, you won't get confused, all right? So these apps are all trusted and reliable, okay? It helps you buy and sell, manage your crypto safely, so basically, whether you're just starting out or whether you've been trading for a while, these apps make it simple and fun to manage your digital money, all right? So leave me a like, leave me a comment. Somebody's going to like you too, okay?